Hello ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to show you the first time WWE Worldwide Desi Championship, and now we are going to present the first time World Championship John Cena, the light version. Please welcome.
There's the real John Cena.
मैं सिर्फ जीतने के लिए पैदा हुआ हूँ। उस दिन उस कुत्ते ने मुझे बहुत बुरी तरह से मारा और मेरा हड्डी pasli एक कर दिया। आज मैं उसको नहीं छोड़ूंगा। गाँव में तू मेरे सामने आजा।
Now we are going to present the one and only the champion Romanreigns, the light version. Please welcome everybody. Put your hands together.
I've seen it do that a million times.
Yeah, but what about that tackle?
I can't remember seeing it counter.
Cena's up, slammed! Sit out powerbomb!
Of it, guys, like none of it.
It was desperation. I mean, Roman Reigns had to.
These men over the past number of weeks. Forget about the fit in this matchup tonight, but what about the mental in them?
It's a rivalry.
Doesn't know where he's at. He hit hard. Roman Reigns now with Cena in position.
Guys, right there. Look, that's a little desperate now. Cena powering Reigns up. There it is. Cena. Wow. Cena and Reigns earning the respect of each other.
I could be just. The smart strategy, Roman wasting the fight to John.
Reigns, though, blasting into the
Possessed by John Cena.
And the thing is, Roman Reigns put himself in
and
that
Cena
position.
into these steps on the other. Opening bell.
Van Dam is in trouble here. Big Show's got. What the hell did he do? Oh my God! Come on! Right in front of the.
I think inevitably it will be.
Had his way with Cena. And there's another right, dropping John Cena.
Reigns will be pointed on right now, just trying to keep John Cena totally out of his zone.
Oh, and with Roman Reigns beating John.
And we got some ladders and a chair in hand. And another hard hits up.
John Cena. It's battling back against Reigns. Kick.
The back.
You know, guys, it comes a time.
The thing Roman Reigns has to realize is something that JB and another. Oh my God! Roman Reigns, stop it!
No! Whoa!
Cena going for the five knuckles shot. Reigns
Get the job done.
I think what it comes down to is Roman.
Mysterio! KO from the top rope!
I can't remember seeing it counter.
Cena going for the five knuckles shot.
Get the job done.
What it comes down to is Roman Reigns is not intimidated by John Cena. Roman Reigns doesn't care.
And Corey, that's a great point because I think one of the questions coming into this.
Yes, indeed. Roman Reigns, no stranger to being.
Superman punch! Wow! Caught by
Right
John. Cena with Reigns on his shoulder. Reigns escapes and delivers a boot to the face. Get anything going.
Can't get any momentum. That's the difference between every other. That look in his eye tells a story, doesn't it?
Oh, went for the Superman punch. John Cena picked him out of the air. Reigns do. Will Reigns tap out? Will Big Match John do it again? Himself to the bottom right. He might make it. Drives him back to the center of the ring. And again. Oh, he almost had it. It's Allen back against Reigns. Kick to the midsection, though. And another kick by Roman. Cover. The back.
It comes a time.
The thing Roman Reigns has to realize is something that JBL has said for a long time about John Cena. And that is off time. That is all about Roman Reigns and chin. And another. Oh my God! Roman Reigns stopping.
I've seen it do that a million times.
Yeah, but what about that tackle?
I can't remember seeing it counter.
Cena going for the five knuckles.
Get the job done.
I think what it comes down to is Roman Reigns is not intimidated by John Cena. Roman Reigns doesn't care.
And Corey, that's a great point, because I think one of the questions coming into this.
Yes, indeed. Roman Reigns, no stranger to being in this position
By
right
John,
here.
John. Cena, Reigns on his shoulder.
Cena counters with a clothesline on Orton. But the Sister Abigail's delivered by Bray Wyatt. John Cena wins. Here's your winner, the WWE Champion, John Cena. John Cena emerging victorious tonight, but can he survive 5 WWE superstars in the ominous structure? That's the Elimination Chamber on Sunday, John.
Because of the Elimination Chamber, there's not going to be any outside. Whoa, there goes the official. This is dangerous for both of these men.
Oh, back into the ring, though.
Sweet chin to his invitation.
I can't help but throw over the roof. What do you want me to do about it? Let's go.
Last night at SummerSlam, we witnessed the demise of the era of the Beast and the resurrection of the Roman Empire. It was an incredible moment right here in this building, the sold-out Barclays Center, for the most watched SummerSlam of all time.
Yeah.